This is a 20-minute guitar warm-up you can do to see results fast as a beginner guitarist. Do this daily to see fast results. We're going to start with a quick stretch and then 10 exercises designed for a beginner guitarist. Use a plectrum or your fingers like me. Quick note, if this is your first time, try your best to keep up, but keep showing up daily and you'll get used to the exercises and see yourself improving. Pro tip 1. The tabs are there to help you, but I encourage you to focus on the shapes and patterns of each exercise. Pro tip 2, set a goal that you want to complete this routine in without mistakes. For example, I want to complete this routine within 14 days without mistake. So let's begin our 20-minute practice routine, starting with our quick stretch. We're going to rotate our hands 5 times clockwise, 5 times anti-clockwise, open and close our hands 5 times, then shake it off and stretch it out. We're ready for exercise 1. Exercise 1 is the spider walk ascending only. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to move up chromatically, up the strings, all 4 fingers. Try to keep your fingers as close to the frets as possible whilst doing this. To help you improve control. And once we get to the top, move up a fret and carry on back down the strings. We're going to keep going up to the 6th fret with this one. Great job, that's exercise 1 complete. Now moving on to exercise 2 is the basic spider walk from the 7th to the 12th fret. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one's very similar to the last exercise, except when we get to the top string, we're going to come back down, start with our pinky. So here it comes, now move up a fret and back down with the pinky. You got it. We do this up to the 12th fret. You're doing great. That's exercise 2 complete. Great job, guys. You're doing amazing. If you could give this video a like, that would be greatly appreciated. Now on to exercise 3. Spider climbs from the 1st to the 3rd fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this time we're going to move sideways up the strings. Once we get to the 3rd fret, we're going to come back down the same string, start with our pinky. And once we get to the bottom, we move up a string and do the same thing again. So up a fret, up to the 3rd fret, and then come back down. Do this all the way up to the top E string. Good job. Amazing work, those are spider climbs complete. Next up we have pyramids from the 1st to the 6th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all 4 fingers on the low E string, then 3 fingers, 2 fingers, 2, 3, and then 4 fingers. Move up a fret and come back down in reverse, starting with our pinky. It's easier to imagine the shape. Kind of pyramid shape, that's why I call them the pyramid spider walks. These are great for finger isolation and control. Up a fret and carry on. If you'd like to practice these exercises at your own pace, you can get a free exercise guide and the free plain drum beats in the description box below. Next up, we have spider walk triplets. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the same as our basic spider walk, except we're going to hit each note 3 times with a triplet feel. It's great for developing your technique and feeling for triplets. Good job, you're doing great. those are our spider walk triplets complete. Good job. Next up, we have an index down exercise. We're going to work on the coordination between our index finger and the rest of our fingers. You'll get the hang of it as we go along. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to do index middle, index ring, index pinky, move up a string, and repeat. Good job. We're always bouncing back to our index finger. Good job, exercise complete. Now we're going to do the same thing, but keep our middle finger down. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to start where we left off on the 4th fret, high E string. Just go between our middle finger, ring and pinky. Always bouncing back to our middle finger. And work our way up to the 6th fret. Good job. Okay, amazing work. Next up, we have diagonals. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our diagonals complete. Nice work. Next up, we have long reaches. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So for this one, we're going to keep this 1, 3, 5 pattern the whole way, skipping a fret in between our fingers. Once we get to the top string, move up a fret and come back down. Start with our pinky. You can either use your middle finger or ring finger for that middle note, whichever is more comfortable for you. any of these exercises confuse you, do not worry at all. You have to watch this video maybe more than once and try it out next time. I've also put together the exercise guide, which you can find in the YouTube description for free, as well as the plain drum beats, so you can practice at your own pace and get to know the exercises a little bit better. Okay, next up we have alternate spider walks from the 7th to the 12th fret. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. With this one we sort of do this pattern where we go between the two adjacent strings, popping back and forward. And once we get to the top string, we're going to inverse the pattern and come back down. Excellent work, great job guys. That's our 20-minute warm-up complete.